Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to get rid of under eye halo or sunken eyes using makeup. So let's jump into the video. So I'm starting off with my moisturizer and primer. This moisturizer doubles up as a primer and a moisturizer together, so it has hyaluronic acid in it. So I'm just going to let that absorb into my face as I massage it in. So next I'm going in with a lip gloss to moisturize my lips. So once I'm done applying the lip gloss onto my lips, I'm moving on to foundation. And for today's foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Polish Foundation in the shade Cappuccino. So this is my perfect match. You can see how it's applying onto my face. I'm going in with the Zaron foundation brush to apply this and blend it out all over my face. So I'm really taking my time to work the foundation into my face because I do not want to use so much product, and I'm also not going to use so much product on my nose and on my forehead. So I'm just going to use the barest minimum or whatever that is left on the foundation brush to apply onto my forehead and my nose. So now I'm just going over all the areas of my face to make sure everything is all blended in together. And now once I'm done with that, I'm going to go into my concealer, and I'm using the Colourpop concealer in the shade Dark 42. Now I'm going to apply this in all the areas where the lights would naturally hit my face. If you guys remember in my last video, my last makeup video anyway, I said I wanted to stop applying concealer onto my forehead just because I really want my forehead to have like less product than the other parts of my face. I don't know, that's just the way I feel. So yeah, whatever that is left on my beauty blender, I'm going to go ahead and apply that onto my forehead, but that will be when I'm done. So with this, you want to make sure that your concealer dries down a bit, especially the one directly underneath your eyes. So you want to give that time to dry down a bit, because then it has a fuller coverage, you know, than what it naturally is if you had just gone in to blend it out immediately. I also applied a little bit of the concealer on my eyelids, so this is going to serve as my primer, my eye primer for when I want to apply eyeshadow. So now once I'm done blending that, I'm going to go ahead with another concealer. So guys, I'm going in with a brighter concealer. This is the LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade medium beige. And I'm going to apply this directly below where my eyes are sunken or where it's hollow. And also I'm going to give a little bit more highlight to the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin, because I want that area to be brighter than it is right now. So once I'm done with that, once I'm done applying the concealer, I'm going to go ahead to blend all of those area out just like we would do. And remember guys, you're always going with a damp beauty blender to blend out your concealer. And I also leave this to sit just for a little bit so that the concealer can get tacky, especially the one underneath my eyes. So once I'm done blending out the concealer, I'm going to go ahead to set the rest of my face. Now to set the areas where I apply concealer, I'm going in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Now I'm going to go ahead with the same beauty blender I used in blending out the concealer to set the concealer down. So once I'm done setting all of the areas where I apply concealer, I'm going to go in with an extra layer of powder to apply directly below where I have my sunken eyes or where I have the halo eyes. So it just makes that area brighter and it makes the sunken area less noticeable. So once I'm done setting all those areas, I'm going to go ahead to contour my face. And to do that, I'm using my Milani Mineralised face powder in the shade Warm. I always like to use this powder. It gives me like the most natural effects. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, this is one of the powders I really love to go in with when I'm contouring or bronzing. I basically go into bronze like more often. So we all know the places where I'm using this for my cheekbone, my forehead, and my jawline. And also I'm going to use the same powder to contour my nose. So once we're done with this, I'm going to go off camera to do my eyebrows, and then we'll be back to do our eyeshadow and our lipstick, and that'll be all for this video guys. So guys, moving on to eyeshadow, I'm using the Nuban Beauty Wishes palette, and I'm picking up that deep orange shade. Now I'm going to apply this all over my transition area and also into my crease using a tapered blending brush from Jessup Cosmetics. So I'm going to repeat the same thing in the other eye. Yeah, so once I'm done with that, I'm going to go back into that same palette and I'm going to pick up the brown shade from the palette. Now I'm going to apply this all over my all over the outer corner of my eyes and also into my crease area. Sometimes words fail me, guys. So yeah, I'm going to apply that all over my crease area also and the outer corner of my eyes. And once I'm done doing that, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige, and I'm going to apply this all over my eyelid. Now I really don't have any definitive way I applied it. Basically, you just want to apply because I want to give something for my lid shade to adhere to. So I'm going back into the Wishes palette and I'm picking up the shade, the light orange shade from the palette. I'm going to apply this all over my eyelid. So like I said, this is not a cut crease look. It's a very simple look that you can achieve in about 5 minutes. That's too small? But yeah, it doesn't really take that much time. It's just 3 colors basically and you're done with this look. So next I'm going to go ahead to dust all the excess powder and then go ahead to set my face using my Morphe Continuous Mist Setting Spray. So now I'm going in with my Mabrook black eyeliner to draw a very thin layer of eyeliner. Basically this is just for my false lashes, which of course I'm going to apply off camera. So after I'm done with this, I'm going to finish up the rest of my eye look off camera and then I'll be back to complete the look. So guys, I'm picking up that white icy shade from the Wishes palette to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. So guys, it's time for our lips and I'm going in with my Davis pencil in number 18. This pencil doubles up as an eyebrow pencil and also as a lip pencil, and I really love the shade. So next I'm going into my lip shade and I'm using the Nuban Beauty Pro Matte lipstick in the shade Safari. So this is what I'm going to use to apply all over my lip, yeah, and then I'm going to blend everything together. So guys, I absolutely love the lips the way it is, but I decided to go ahead to add some lip gloss and I used the Zaron XOXO lip gloss in the shade Read My Lips. I wouldn't say I regret it, but it's still fine. I think I loved it better when it was just all matte. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you liked it, make sure you give me a thumbs up down below, like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.